Hi, my name is Jessica Clark, and I'm a graduate student at San Jose State University, and I will be presenting to you some search tips for using a unique database called the Web of Science. The Web of Science is a citation-based searching database by Clarivate Analytics. The Web of Science is a fantastic resource if you are looking for information on a topic and know of a really good book or article on that topic and you'd like to expand. It is also a fantastic resource for reference librarians who have a patron who has limited information on an article or book whose topic is something that they would like to explore. The Web of Science is also very fascinating because you can trace ideas back and forth in time through text by tracing their citations. I found that the Web of Science is fantastic for finding the most relevant literature and articles on your topic through its unique citation search. It boasts on having over 33,000 journals. All of the journals indexed in the Web of Science are peer-reviewed and scholarly, making it a fantastic database for your academic and personal research. Since the Web of Science is a subscription-based service, you will need to access it through your university library or through your public library. To access the Web of Science from your university library, first visit the library's website. For example, at San Jose State University, visit the King Library website and under the category Quick Links, click on Articles and Databases. From there, navigate to the W section where you will find the Web of Science. To access the database, you will need your university logon information. On the landing page of the Web of Science, you can do a basic search using topic keywords. Here, you can also search by title, author, author identifiers, editor, publication name, DOI number, year published, organization, and many more. For citation reference searching, please click Cited Reference Search. If you have an article which best covers your topic or which got you excited about researching your topic, you can search by the author, name, cited work, and the cited year. By citation searching, you can follow who has cited your article moving forward in research on your topic, and you can access the articles which are cited within your article moving backward. This is called citation chaining. Using forward chaining, backward chaining, and sideways chaining to trace your topics. Sideways chaining is when you can see similar articles which have been used using the same references and matching citations, or a citation. While exploring the Web of Science, look at one record. To the right of your page, you will see a section entitled the Citation Network. In this section, you can see how many times your article has been cited, if it is a highly cited paper, and how many cited references are included in that particular record. I'd like to quickly go over an example of using citation searching. I am personally interested in the proper preservation techniques of Indigenous peoples' heritage materials. After watching a lecture on YouTube by Kimberly Christian, I read an article in the International Journal of Communication written by Kimberly entitled, "Does Information Really Want to Be Free? Indigenous Knowledge Systems and the Question of Openness." Using the Web of Science, I found this journal article. From there, I could see who else has written on the topic and who else used her journal article for their own research. Using the Web of Science in this way, I could find most relevant materials on my topic quickly. As a librarian, if you have a patron that came in looking for more articles on a particular subject, but only had one article or text as a starting point, you could quickly find relevant related materials. I hope you are able to explore the web of science and find it as useful as I do. Feel free to continue the conversation in the comments section. Thank you.